What's up, guys? Alright, hopefully the camera holds up here. Alright, we got two 60cc saws today, guys. We got the newer STIHL M362. I already fired up the garage for you guys, so it should be a little bit warm, good to go. We're gonna see how the chain is on it. Guy said he sharpened it. We're gonna see right now. It's a newer saw, so shouldn't have any problems here today. We got the McCulloch here, guys. This is an old saw. This is at least 30 years old. 60 cc's from the factory. It's got the same size chain on it, so it should be a good battle here, guys. So we're gonna start off with the McCulloch just because it's in my hand. So all right, let's fire them up. Oh, turn it on. We got a problem with the oil. Alright, it's running really good though. I just gotta play with the oiler a bit. It was like clogged before, so I tried to fix it, but I guess it didn't work. So anyways, guys, let's try this out. Let's try it out. 362, that was really good, so let's see how this one goes. Chain was fine. My wood was stupid, I was wrong. I might have to drop this one right here, guys. We got 2 dead ones. Well, you got a bunch of dead ones, but there's 2 right behind you guys. Right here. This would be perfect, this one. You could drop it right here. Just cut. But, yeah, guys. Overall, that's really hard to. You really have to use the same chains and stuff to, if you're really going to compare them. I kind of thought the steel was going to really outshine it. The chain is a lot more aggressive on the steel. This chain's like an organ. It's got that rolled over dog on it. It's kind of stupid. So I almost guarantee if I threw that chain on here, it'd probably be just the same. And honestly, this one wasn't oiling, so it's either clogged or it's full right now. So it's either clogged or I put the screw in too far. There's a little adjustment on it. You know what? We can check it right now, guys. One second. There's a little screw in here. Screwed it all the way. Maybe that's not good. Well, let's see. I was even using the manual oiler. It wasn't doing anything. Okay, well. Let's try it again, you guys. Screw is in all the way, so let's do a couple cuts here, guys. It should be a lot better. I'll go down there. I hope you guys can see me. I want to do it right here though. Heavy logs, they all just fall in. Let me jam one in here, hold on. Should be fine. It's not idling perfect, so I gotta figure that out. Okay, that made a big difference. Guys, that's insane. This thing was just eating through it, guys. Wow. Well, here you go, guys. I mean, you can see I leaned on it a bit, the last one there. This thing's got torque, guys. You know, you kind of have to know what you're doing, but it's pretty damn simple, guys. If you really just sit down and take your time with it a little bit, you can really learn how to run these saws, guys, how to tune them. And I mean, if you don't know how to sharpen a chain, just buy a new chain, guys. They're 30 bucks max for a 20-inch, you know. That's a really good saw if you're using it every day. Easy to get parts for it.